Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Zelfa Sabina Maharani, and today I would like to share about the journey of entrepreneurship, the title from Mabel's Donut. Okay, this is Mabel's Donut, Entrepreneur Journey of Mabel. Next. Okay, Mabel Journey. Nestled on a cozy street corner where the aroma of freshly brewed coffee mingled with the sweet scents of sugary delights stood a small, quaint shop known simply as the Mabel's Donut. This unassuming little establishment was the brainchild of a determined and spirited young woman named Mabel. Mabel had always harbored a deep love for baking. From the time she could reach the kitchen counter, she would stand on tiptoes, eagerly watching her grandmother knead dough and sprinkle cinnamon. Her childhood was filled with memories of sticky fingers and flour-dusted aprons. But it was the sight of donut rising golden brown in the oven that captivated her heart. Next. As she grew older, Mabel's passion for baking blossomed into a dream to share her love for donuts with the world. Armed with the recipe passed down through generation and a relentless determination, Mabel set out her entrepreneurial journey. She started small, baking batches of donuts in her tiny apartment kitchen and selling them for friends and coworkers. Word of Mabel's mouth-watering creation spread quickly. Soon, she found herself spending late nights baking dozens of donuts to meet the growing demand. Encouraged by the positive feedback and eager customer, Mabel took a bold step forward. She ran a small storefront on the cozy street corner and officially opened Mabel's Donuts in public. Next. The early days were a whirlwind of flour, sugar, and excitement. Mabel greeted each customer with a warm smile, offering them a taste of her freshly baked treat. Her donuts became known for their fluffy texture, unique flavor, and the love baked into every bite. Customers would line up outside the shop each morning, eagerly awaiting their favorite flavors, from classic glaze to exotic combinations like matcha green tea and lavender honey. But Mabel's journey was not without its challenges. Running a small business demanded long hours and unwavering dedication. There were early mornings spent kneading dough, afternoons navigating supplier relationship, and evening crunching numbers to ensure the shop's financial stability. Yet, Mabel faced each challenge with optimism and determination, fueled by her passion for baking and the joy her donut brought to others. As the month passed, Maple Donut flourished. The shop became a beloved fixture in the neighborhood, a gathering place where locals would linger over coffee and donuts, sharing serve and forging connection. Maple expanded her menu, experimenting with the new flavor and seasonal ingredients, always striving to surprise and delight her loyal customer. With success came recognition, with blog raved about Mabel's artisanal approach and the quality of her ingredients. Local magazines featured her story, celebrating her journey from a passionate baker to a successful entrepreneur. Mabel's reputation spread beyond the neighborhood, drawing visitors from across the city who had heard tales of her delectable donuts. But amidst the accolades and the bustling staff, Mabel remained humble and grounded. She never forgot the simple joy that baking had brought to her life as a child, nor the hard work and perseverance it had taken to turn her dream into reality. For Mabel's, Mabel Donuts was more than just a business. It was a labor of love, a testament to her dedication and unwavering belief in the power of delicious handmade treats to bring happiness to others. And so, on that cozy street corner where the scent of freshly baked donuts wafted through the air and louder echoes from the shop's windows, Mabel's story continued to unfold a story of patient resilience and the sweet success that comes from following one's heart. In this narrative, Mabel Journey illustrates the challenges and rewards of starting a small business centered around a passion for baking, showcasing her dedication to quality and the joy she brings her community through her delicious donuts. Okay, that's all the story about Mabel. And this is the vocabulary that we must to know about that story. First, there's a quiet, aroma, spirited, harbored, neat, captivated, entrepreneurial, batch, mouth-watering, fluffy, fixture, artisanal, linger, gathering place, delectable, accommodates, bustling, labor of love, perseverance, and unwavering. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.